Hey everybody and welcome. Today I have JBL headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily fix your Bluetooth pairing issues. So at first we have to enter settings, and here we have to enter connect devices. Now we have to scroll down to current preferences and here Bluetooth. Now we have to disable Bluetooth for a moment and then we have to put our both earbuds into the case. After that we have to, for example, after 10 seconds, take them out and check if we can connect. If we still can't connect, we have to do a hard reset. To know how to do it, check our channel because there is a video about it. And if you have still some issues after the hard reset, you have to contact the device support. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.